holy light. Hey. Holy light from Zion Hill, shine forever, shining still. It guide the lost, it heal the blind. Light of Jah, eternal mind. No candle fade, no flame expire. Light of Zion, holy fire, forever glowing, strong and free. Light of Jah, shine over me. Light of Zion, pure and bright, chase away the Babylon night. Every shadow, every fear, light of Jah forever near. It blaze at dawn, it glow at noon. Light of Zion, never soon, forever shining, never dim. Light of Jah, eternal hymn, it lift the weary, lift the weak. Light of truth, all people seek, forever holy, never wrong. Light of Zion, shine so strong. Me walk the path by Zion flame. Light of Jah, call holy name. It guide the youth, it guide the old. Light of Zion, more than gold. No Babylon can block the way. Light of Jah forever stay. Eternal shining, never die. Light of Zion, fill the sky. When storm a rage and night a fall, light of Zion, shine for all. It never fade, it never cease. Light of Jah, eternal peace, forever glowing, pure and true. Light of Zion, shine for you. Holy brightness, strong and tall. Light of Jah, feel one and all. When the trumpet sound again, light of Zion still remain. It blaze eternal, never gone. Light of Jah forever strong, forever shining, holy flame. Light of Zion, call your name. From dawn of time till endless day, light of Jah forever stay. Shine bright, shine clear, light of Zion always near. No night, no chain can dim the glow. Light of Jah forever show. Light of Zion, pure and bright, chase away the Babylon night. Every shadow, every fear, light of Jah forever near. From age to age, from day to day, light of Zion, light the way.
Hear this song of Zion sing. Echo strong from Jah King. It rise in morning, rise at night. Song of Jah, eternal light. No man silent, no man still. chant for justice, chant for love. Song of Jah from high above. Song of Zion, pure and free. Chant of love for you and me. Every heartbeat, every tone. Song of Jah forever known. It healed the broken, lift the soul. Song of Zion make we whole. Forever chanting, never cease. Song of Jah, eternal peace. It called the nations, called them home. Song of Zion never roam. From earth below to heaven high. Song of Jah will never die. Me hear the elder hum the tune. Song of Zion, bless the moon. Forever singing, never wrong. Song of Jah, forever strong. It carry hope, it carry flame. Song of Zion, call your name. Eternal echo, pure and true. Song of Jah, for I and you. It guide the children, guide the meek. Song of Zion, what we seek. Forever chanting, strong and clear. Song of Jah, forever near. No Babylon can drown the sound. Song of Zion, all around. Holy anthem, sweet and wide. Song of Jah, forever guide. When the trumpet blow again. Song of Zion still remain. It rise eternal, never fade. Song of Jah, forever made. Forever chanting, holy flame. Song of Zion, praise your name. From dawn of time till endless day. Song of Jah, forever stay. Sing high, sing low. Song of Zion, always flow. No chain, no wall can silence we. Song of Jah, eternity. Song of Zion. Echoes meditation. Yeah, man. Underneath the full moon sky, me light up the flame. Inna the hills of Zion, me call your name. Spliff inna me hand, me spirit reclaim. No worries, no sorrow, no Babylon game. Me hear the rhythm in the in a unity from Kingston to Berlin. Smoke it consciously, burn it for meditation, elevate me clarity. Roots and culture, we chant in harmony. Me not hide me chalice, me hold it proud. Herb is holy, me say it loud. It heal me body, it calm me sound. It make me reason, deep and profound. The children of Jah now walk alone. We gather round and build it on. One by one, we blaze and roam. In the garden of truth, we find a home. Oh, my sister, pass the fire. Let we chant in a sacred choir. With ganja I, me reach higher. The herbs ignite, me soul's desire. But me call it bless, the ancient remedy if the world distress. It come from the earth, not in a lab test. Jah plant it for cure, for ease distress. Me see the youth, them wake and rise. Smoke it wise, and open eyes. No Babylon chain, no corporate lies. Just sacred puff, under endless skies. This a Ganja Celebration. Light it in a unity from Ethiopia to Brazil. Smoke it mindfully, me burn it for inspiration, creativity. Roots and rhythm we chant consciously. Me eyes them red, but me vision clear. Me hear the voice of ancestors near. Them guide me steps, them hold me dear. With every draw, me drop me fear. Me sit and stone, me chant alone. Me spirit travel like a drone to Zion heights. Me find me zone. No system can cut me tone. So roll it tight and pass it round. The smoke uplift me off the ground. Me hear the beat, me feel the sound. In a ganja we trust, forever bound. In a session we gather like sacred tribe. We reason, laugh and feel the vibe. No guns, no war, no greed to bribe. Just drums and ganja, the holy scribe. Me toast me spliff to the rising sun. Another day of love begun. Me carry Jah light, me never done. In a reggae fire, me burn and run. So roll it tight and pass it round. The smoke uplift me off the ground. Me hear the beat, me feel the sound. In a ganja we trust, forever bound. Like sacred tribe, we reason, laugh and feel the vibe. No guns, no war, no greed to bribe. Just drums and ganja, the holy scribe. Me toast me spliff to the rising sun. Another day of love begun. Me carry Jah like me never done. In a reggae fire, me burn and run. Under the mango tree, she braid me locks. Sweet sister laugh like the river talks. Me roll one tight, no time for clocks. Jah time eternal, no chain, no box. Me strum me guitar, breeze rise slow like prayer aloft. She dance barefoot in a golden cloth. One moment pure, and that's enough. We live by the moon, we rise with sun. Meditation deep when the day is done. Herb in a hand, no need to run. We already reach one heart, one drum. Cook Ital in a clear pot, roots and yam, that natural shot. She know all herbs from the secret spot. Teach me healing like a mystic plot. No tension here, no Babylon stress, only rhythm, love, and daily bless. Life no perfect, but we confess. We pray for truth over college dress. And when the nightfall come, we chant with fire and drum. Under the stars we become one soul, one beat, one kingdom. Me write lyrics as the candle burn. Each word a flame, each line me learn. She beside me, sweet and stern. Music and love in a equal turn. Me sister say love grow like trees, slow and deep with gentle breeze. Roots must hold before it freeze, so we plant it firm with words like these. We live by the moon, we rise with sun. Meditation deep when the day is done. Herb in a hand, no need to run. We already reach one heart, one drum. Me sister dance to the rhythm I play. No shoes, no shame, just reggae way. She twirl with joy like children at bay. Light in her eyes, brighten the day. And when me overstand what this all mean, it's not about fame or the social screen. It's about presence in what's unseen. Living in love and keeping it clean. So me pass her the spliff, she smile and nod. We give thanks to earth, we give thanks to God. No preacher here, just reggae squad. Riding the wave like Lion trod. Zion echoes in a every tone. From the hills to the ocean foam. We chant, we love, we smoke, we roam, but always return to Jah as home.
Under the mango tree, me find her smile. She dead there sitting, eyes full of style. No makeup, no gold, just nature glow. Like she steps straight from the breeze that blows. She say, Rasta, what you blaze? Me say sacred herbs from ancient days. She laughs sweet like wind pan vine. Me say, girl, your soul aligned with mine. Ital love, natural and free, like river flowing to the sea. No Babylon chain, no disguise, just me and she beneath just skies. Ital love, no drama, no fight, just chant and herbs in the pale moonlight. From Kingston Hills to St. Ann Shore, me never feel a love like this before. She plant callaloo, me carry wood. Ital stew, all real and good. Me play Naya Bingi, she on my tune. We reason deep till rise of moon. She tell me about her granny's prayer. Me tell her how me dread fi Babylon snare. But love like this, it purify. Me heart beat slow when she draw nigh. Me not chase riches, me chase peace. With her by me side, me worries cease. Me not need no city light, just a rise and firelight. We chant Psalm 23 by the fire. Each breath a note in jazz lyre. When the herb lift we off the ground, me swear me soul make sacred sound. Ital love grow like the tree, roots deep down and branches free. She know about to trend her fame. Me love her soul, me call her name. Ital love, me queen in earth. Me treasure her like Zion worth. Together we rise, we meditate. Me heart for she, that's no debate. Me remember the first time me see her eyes, like them whole lightning from ancient skies. No vanity, no disguise, just wisdom flowing, pure and wise. We dance pan hillside barefoot and bold. She wrap me in warmth when nights get cold. Me whisper songs in her ear. She laugh and say Rasta, I'll always care. We travel light, me and me queen, through valleys lush and mountains green. She teach me patience, me show her drum. Together we chant feed Jah kingdom come. She no fuss, she no lie. She speak truth like morning sky. Every time me see her smile so wide, me give thanks just in her by me side. Ital love, strong and pure, healing like herbs, natural cure. No need no preacher, no need no ring. The birds and trees bless everything. Ital love now fade away. We shine together like Zion day. Me no ox, fi more than this, just more time fi share Jah bliss. So under the mango tree we rest, head to chest, heart beating chest. Me blaze one more in sacred flame. Me call her softly by her name. She smile and say, Jah guide we trod. Me say yes, I